Chance Cars Limited is pleased to present itself with this outstanding seat Leon 1.5 TSI Evo. Shade Dynamic Euro 6 SS 5-door with 46,295 miles. Full service history, 2 previous owner, MOT due the 26th of May 26. Navigation system, front and rear parking sensors, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, anti-collision alert, hill hold control, and multi-collision braking system. Crib computer 7 inches color touchscreen, Bluetooth, air conditioning, dual zone climate control, cruise control with manual speed adjustment, dual zone climate control, alloy wheels, AM, FM radio, single CD, MP3 audio, DAB radio system with front rain sensing, ISOFIX, Immobiliser. We really do care about our customers, and in recognition of that, we have received Autotrader's Customer Choice Award for 6 years. We strive to deliver the best possible customer experience. But don't take our words for it. Read our 229 plus great reviews. We present our cars to you with high standard preparations. Our commitments to price and working with Autotrader means our stocks are monitored daily and all priced at good, great prices. For yours and our peace of mind, all our cars are pre-inspected and necessary vehicle data checks are performed. Free 12 months RR breakdown cover. T&C app. Apple CarPlay, navigation system, heated seats, front and rear parking sensors, Chance Cars Limited is a highly rated, family-run dealership in Sutton, London, proudly offering quality used cars with honest service and unbeatable value. With a 4.95 Autotrader rating and up to 6 months warranty plus RR breakdown cover, we make sure you drive away with confidence. Visit us today and experience car buying the way it should be: simple, transparent, and friendly.